So, in this video, we're gonna listen to some music and take apart some speakers. And by the way, some speakers and toys and whatever. This big giant speaker does not count. Neither does that one. I'm sorry for the low light in this corner of the room. It's much better over here, where all my electronic stuff is. And, you'll need a big Phillips and flathead screwdriver, and just in case, a tiny Phillips and flathead screwdriver can come in handy. So, the first thing we're going to take apart will be this Fisher-Price toy, which does all sorts of cool stuff, plays the ABCs and stuff, and then all this stuff. So, first of all, we're going to take off all the screws. So there were 6 screws on the back that I've removed. Now you'll notice that this is coming loose, this part right here. And that will just totally come like this. And there's lots of other stuff we can do. Our speaker came out with 2 screws holding it in place. It's cool and green. And there's also a circuit board under there with buttons if you take off all those screws. And putting it back together is just basically the opposite. And it still works. And every toy and speaker and whatever you're taking apart works pretty much the same for taking it apart. This is cool on the inside too. One, two, three, four, 5 something solder connections there. That's cool. And there's probably speakers and stuff down there. Not taking apart this area because it tends to break. This is a cool toy that I'm going to take apart. This is insanely awesomely awesome. Putting the screw in. It works. Now this one's cool. Now this one has an awesome speaker and a little tiny circuit board for like the when you tip it up, it makes the sound thing. Now for the real cool electronic stuff. First of all, we have a Yamaha speaker, which comes apart pretty easily just with 6 screws. And it has beefy speakers inside. And that is really, really cool. And the crappy light show speaker with a crappy motor, a crappy circuit board, and a crappy speaker. Next, this sound machine thing that can put you to sleep type sound making thing. And this one has a surprisingly good interior with a giant circuit board. I was super shocked when I saw the interior of this, how high quality it was. Yes, it is my favorite thing to do, to take apart stuff. And I really showed that with all the circuit boards and everything you just saw. That was so cool. Thanks for watching.